In this video, you will learn how to access document properties in MS Word. First, I will access my File Explorer and look at the documents I want to experiment with. So I will double click on it. So the next step you need to take is to click on File, then select Info. By this side, you will see the properties of these documents. You can see the author is Uzochukwu Mike, which is my real name. Okay, modified by the same person. Okay, then other properties here is the size of the file, the page number, the number of pages, the words, and a lot of them. If you want to see more about the properties or change some things, click on these properties and select advanced properties. You'll be placed on the summary. So if you want to give this document a title through the properties, you fill the title here. If you want to change the author's name, you change it here. If you want to erase the company name, right, you erase it. This is because I used HP laptop to create the document. All right, so that's why you have this as Howlett Packard. All right, so it's as simple as that. And if you want to remove maybe all these personal informations, it's simple to do. Okay, what you need to do is to click on this check for issues section, click on that drop down and select inspect document. All right, uncheck every other thing apart from this one. All right, apart from document properties and personal information. Okay, so I'll keep on checking this. So when you click inside the box, it will be unchecked. Then after that, this is the only one left. Click on inspect and click on remove all. Click on close. You can see the personal information have been removed. All right, you only have the size of the document and the page count, as well as the word count as well, and total editing time. So it's as simple as that. So let's get back. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.